A plane had to be diverted to DIA after several passengers became unruly because they were concerned that another passenger had the coronavirus. The flight took off from Eagle, Colorado. Our Mountain Newsroom reporter Matt Kroschel spoke to one of the people that was on that flight who watched this entire thing unfold. Matt.
You know, Karen, the concerns over coronavirus have hit the high country with 2 confirmed cases in Eagle County, 1 here in Summit County. So the people on board this flight on Sunday noticed another passenger was coughing and sneezing. They contacted the crew on board and demanded that that passenger was removed from the plane. But that's not exactly what ended up happening.
They were hooting and hollering. They were trying to get the whole plane to join in what sounded like a riot.
Jake Futterfoss was on board a United flight headed to Newark, New Jersey from Eagle when a commotion in the back of the plane forced an unscheduled landing at DIA.
And the captain gets on the PA and says, "We've just hit cruising altitude. However, we have a security concern and we need to divert to Denver,"
where FBI agents were waiting for them Sunday.
Ask the flight attendant what's going on. They just kind of say there's a medical issue on board. They don't really say much, but all the flight attendants, they spring into action. Everyone's acting very professionally, very diligently.
United Airlines officials tell us more than one passenger became disruptive and they had to be removed.
FBI agents in the forward galley right near us, and essentially we hear, passengers were causing a disturbance. They were concerned about another passenger, wouldn't listen to the flight attendant's directions, wouldn't stay in their seat. They sat in the flight attendant's jump seat instead.
Other passengers like Jake remained silent as the crew handled this coronavirus scare at 35,000 feet over Colorado.
There's a lot of fear out there.
Jake says he understands the concern, but
at the end of the day, you got to obey the flight attendant and their rules.
United is telling us that the 3 passengers that were removed from the flight, they're still under investigation right now to see if there will be any charges. As for that passenger that was coughing and sneezing, well, they're telling us it was just allergies. They did check for fever, and that passenger was allowed to continue on to Newark. We are live in the high country. Matt Kroschel covering Colorado First.